Hey guys! So today I'm going to be filming a BUXOM Vava Plump Shiny Liquid Lipsticks lip swatch video. I'm featuring all of the colors that they have. So I'll start off with the swatches and then I'll show you guys what it looks like on my lips. And I will also review the product at the end of this video. So if you want to see swatches, keep watching.
When the night is over, my life is over, 'cause I start thinking again about our time together. When the night is over, my life is over, 'cause I start thinking again about our time together. When the night is over, my life is over, 'cause I start thinking again about our time together.
Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed that lip swatch video. So now to review the product, these do retail for $20 and they are plumping. I didn't realize they were plumping until like halfway through my lip swatches and I was like, whoa, why do my lips like kind of burn? And I read the packaging and I was like, hello. I guess the plumping, like, I just never really noticed it because it's so slight. I feel like with BUXOM lip glosses too, you just like hardly feel it. It's just super natural and it just makes your lips look super juicy. But as I was like applying and taking it off with a makeup wipe and like irritating my lips, it was like mixing with the plumper, so they got like, what you can see towards the end, and they got like super red. If you're a normal person and aren't doing a lip swatch video with all of the colors, then I'm sure that you would hardly feel the plump. Keep that in mind. My favorite color though is definitely the Taupe It Off. It is the one I'm wearing right now. It is the perfect neutral. So that's the only thing that I don't like too much is the color range. I absolutely think that the pigment is gorgeous. They're pretty long wearing. They are so comfortable. They are not sticky and they're a little bit minty, but not to the point where like it's cold and uncomfortable, but it's just very, very soothing. And I can definitely just stick this in my purse. I don't have to think about it. It is literally the perfect nude cocktail for me because usually when I wear nude lips, I'll have to wear a lip liner, a lipstick, a lip gloss. Super complicated, and I bring all three products with me in my purse. And what I love about this is that I can just bring this and I'm good to go. I also really, really liked Getting Warmer, which is like a really beautiful brownie orange, and the Beg for Mauve, which I think it just made my lips look super luxurious and like, and it was like a gorgeous deep rose, which I loved. And I also was obsessed with Boldly Go. This is literally the perfect Marilyn Monroe juicy red lips with no lip liner. It is phenomenal. I think it was my favorite color out of all of them, next to the Taupe It Off. Taupe It Off, I love it so much. Taupe It Off is like literally the color that I'm going to keep in my purse at all times. And Boldly Go is the color that I want to wear when I want to feel gorgeous and bold and like $1,000,000. The only thing was that there were a lot of like these purpley shades that I just feel like wasn't too much of a big fan. Also like very like neon pinky shades that just don't suit my skin tone, but if you have more cooler undertones, I think it would suit you beautifully. Or maybe if you have a deeper tan, you can definitely wear like corals like this. It would look phenomenal on your skin tone. But I'm picky and I love my nudes. I'm very basic of a person, so I love this formula, and I hope that they come out with more nudes for different skin tones so that everybody can enjoy a good neutral with this formula. I think it's super comfortable, and I think glosses are really making a comeback. So I would love to see the color range expand to my nudes. Probably said that in like 5 different ways, but I'm serious. I want nudes. I hope that you enjoyed this super fun casual video in my room. I am tired. It's like 1 in the morning and I've been wanting to film this video for so long. I don't know why I felt so unmotivated to film. I've been kind of in a down in the dumps, like going through stuff, so I just hope that I get my motivation back, because I haven't been feeling the optimistic, positive self that I usually am. So I just hope that I'll get over it. Let's talk about the makeup, the happy stuff. I like it. I do like it. I like it. Okay, I'm done talking. Love you guys so much. Have a great rest of your day, night, or wherever you are, and I love you so much. Mwah! Bye. I'm like annoyingly awkward. I don't think I have teeth. I just had In-N-Out, so. But I had a protein style lettuce thing, so I tried to be healthy with fries. So I just realized that these are plumping, and I'm like, why are my lips like feeling so like tired? And I realized that it's plumping. So I have been replumping my lips every single time I apply this. They're like numb. Tenderness right now.